Before you begin, remove any rust or old paint layers. Clean and degrease the surface to be treated. Mix the polyester putty. Apply it and let it dry. Next, sand the surface again. Apply fine putty for the finish. After this, sand the transitional area once more and clean again. Tape off an ample area around the surface. Apply the filler in several thin layers. Lightly sand the surface. Next, clean and degrease the surface again. Use the Motip Colour Search app to find the right colour. Apply the lacquer in several thin layers and let it dry well. Next, apply 2 overlapping layers of clear lacquer. Use Spot Blender if needed, and let it dry thoroughly.